onion and garlic. You don't need na maging brown pa. As long as it has a smell or umamoy na. And then next, we put the chicken. Yung chicken natin is mixed portion po siya. Merong wings, merong thigh, and leg. Not leg, pa thigh also. 5 minutes in medium heat. Natin. Ilagyan natin yung water. And let's cook for 10 minutes para lumambot yung ating manok or chicken. Turmeric, salt, black pepper, and chicken cubes, ano mo yung kamon? Turmeric is good to our health. Nakatulong po siya. Marami kang nakukuhang vitamins or nutrients and ay benefits pala sa ating turmeric powder. So, ilagay natin ating coconut powder. Yung coconut powder natin, half lang. Yan. Ating gata. Hindi ko na siya, diniritso ko na siya. Usually, I'm not a fan of coconut milk. Pero mas gusto ko yung bagata ngayon kasi may mushroom tayo. So, lagyan natin ng coconut powder. Lagyan natin yung mushroom. Yes, I love mushroom. Ang mushroom is marami ring benefits na makukuha. And then, the chili green. Iluto po natin siya ng 5 to 8 minutes. And then, daan ang ating yummy chicken with mushroom. Spicy. Spicy chicken with mushroom. With coconut milk. Ayan. Ayan. Pakain natin to. I love spicy. Kaya nilagay ng chili. And mushroom. Nilagay natin ng 5 to 8 minutes. Ngunit na itapan natin kasi kapag itatapan natin mag-overflow yung sabaw. So, ganyan lang yan. May tapan natin ng 1 minute. Pero in low heat. Ano po? Ating masarap na spicy chicken with mushroom and coconut milk. Transfer na natin siya.